Hi, Annalisa here. Today I want to talk to you about how to choose an acupuncturist. And maybe I'll also talk a little bit about why you should choose me. But if you're watching this and you're not here in New York, you might not be able to choose me. So first I'll tell you a little bit about myself and about the things that I look for when I chose my acupuncturist, who I've been with for a long time and is wonderful and really speaks Annalisa. So firstly, what I mean by that is you want to find a person who you have a good rapport with and who you feel gets you. Um, and that might be somebody the same gender as you or somebody who's had experiences that you've had, maybe. It could just be a person who's really empathetic. And most of us acupuncturists really do have a sense of empathy, and that's how we sort of got into this in the first place. Um, but you want to just find a person who makes you feel at ease and who you have kind of a simpatico with. Um, and that's not a thing I can tell you about. That means something differently to everybody. So that's step one. If you feel uncomfortable, you can find a different acupuncturist. Um, Step two, ask them some questions. Obviously, there's the questions about their training. You want someone who is a licensed acupuncturist, who has gone through a full master's and sometimes doctoral program, somebody who is licensed by their state, and that means they've had 3 to 4 years of education, lots and lots, thousands of hours of practice needling in supervised clinic situations like a residency. And you also want somebody who is not a certified acupuncturist. Many MDs or PTs can be certified, which they do by watching videos, and oftentimes maybe they have additional experience and this makes them okay, but that's sort of the difference between a licensed acupuncturist and a certified one. Another thing about me, which I think differentiates me, is I'm part of a big group, a consortium of practitioners. We have our own little Facebook group, and when I have cases that are maybe complex or tough, we constantly share our cases. So by working with me, you benefit from the wisdom and experience of dozens and dozens of other practitioners. We are all not afraid to ask our colleagues questions. If there's something I haven't seen as much, somebody else has, and many of my patients benefit from that collaboration that I love to take advantage of. I think that's it for today. There's more, but stay tuned. Okay, take care. Bye.